Welcome to the video, where we dive into an interesting programming problem that involves a discussion about the use of pointers in C. The problem we're tackling revolves around the preference for using char *s instead of char s in function parameters, as mentioned in the famous KNR book. The idea is to understand why clarity in code might be valued over potential performance gains, especially when it comes to pointer notation. Now, let's explore the solution provided in the text. In the code snippet shared, we see two scenarios where char equals abcdef semicolon creates an array of 7 char elements, while char *p equals abcdef semicolon generates a pointer pointing to a sequence of 7 char objects. This showcases the distinction between arrays and pointers in C, emphasizing the importance of using explicit pointer notation for clarity and avoiding confusion. Continuing with the solution, we delve into the equivalence of char s and char *s in a parameter list. In this context, both notations are identical, representing pointers that point to char objects. The recommendation to use char *s instead of char s in such cases is aimed at enhancing code readability and preventing misconceptions, especially for those unfamiliar with the nuances of C programming. Later, we consider the performance aspect discussed in the text, focusing on code efficiency in handling variable pointers versus constant index pointers. The comparison between st equals src and asterisk dst++ equals asterisk src++ highlights a potential trade-off between readability and speed in certain scenarios. However, it's crucial to note that the significance of such micro-optimizations may have evolved over time with advancements in CPUs and compilers. In summary, the discussion sheds light on the nuances of pointer usage in C programming, emphasizing the balance between code clarity and performance optimization. While the preference for char *s over char s in function parameters aims at enhancing readability, the considerations around code efficiency warrant a thoughtful approach. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below.